Hi everyone, welcome back to CarXperienc. Today we're diving into a modern classic reborn, the 2025 Ford Capri MK2 X-Pack. If you're a fan of retro styling with a contemporary twist, you're going to love this one. Let's explore why this car is turning heads in the automotive world. First things first, the Capri name is iconic. Known as the European Mustang, the Capri ruled the streets in the 70s and 80s. Ford has now resurrected the MK2 X-Pack edition with all the vintage vibes intact. But under the hood, it's a completely different beast. It's not just a car, it's a statement for those who love nostalgia wrapped in cutting-edge tech. On the outside, the 2025 Ford Capri MK2 X-Pack is a masterpiece. It maintains the bold, angular lines of the original MK2 but modernizes them with LED headlights, sleek aero kits, and 19-inch retro-styled alloy wheels. You can see the classic X-Pack flared arches, which make this car look wide, aggressive, and purposeful. Ford offers a variety of colors, including vibrant racing red, metallic blue, and of course the classic black and gold combination. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a mix of vintage charm and futuristic tech. The cabin design takes cues from the original MK2, but integrates a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen with Ford's latest Sync 5 system. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching, aluminum pedals, and a flat bottom steering wheel remind you that this car is as luxurious as it is sporty. Even the dash has retro-style toggle switches. How cool is that? But let's get to the part we've all been waiting for: performance. The new Capri MK2 X-Pack comes with two engine options. The base version is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine producing 300 horsepower, while the range-topping model features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 pumping out a thrilling 450 horsepower. Both options come paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, but Ford also offers a 6-speed manual for the purists out there. With a top speed of 170 mph and a 0 to 60 time of just 4.5 seconds, the V6 version is seriously quick. Plus, the rear-wheel drive setup and adaptive suspension ensure that the Capri handles like a dream, whether you're cruising through city streets or carving up mountain roads. Ford has also included selectable drive modes to suit your mood, from comfort to sport, and even track mode for those adrenaline-filled weekends. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly decent for a car of this caliber. The EcoBoost engine gets around 28 miles per gallon combined, while the V6 averages about 23 mpg. Of course, you're not buying this car for its fuel economy, but it's nice to know it won't completely drain your wallet at the pump. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Ford Capri MK2 X-Pack starts at $45,000 for the EcoBoost version. If you want the full-fat V6 experience, you're looking at a starting price of $60,000. That puts it in the same ballpark as modern sports coupes like the Toyota GR Supra or the Nissan Z, but with a unique retro edge that sets it apart from the crowd. What's also exciting is that Ford plans to offer a limited edition heritage package for an additional $5,000. This includes exclusive paint jobs, vintage-inspired decals, and a numbered plaque to make your Capri even more special. So who is this car for? If you're someone who appreciates classic designs but doesn't want to compromise on modern performance and technology, the 2025 Ford Capri MK2 X-Pack is the perfect choice. It's a car that bridges the past and the future in a way that few others can. Whether you're a longtime Capri fan or new to the nameplate, this car is guaranteed to leave a lasting impression. Before we wrap up, let's hear from you. What do you think about the 2025 Ford Capri MK2 X-Pack? Is it the perfect blend of retro and modern, or do you think Ford should have done something different? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching CarXperienc. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next upload. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.